Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this OLIGHT Everyday Carry 3-in-1 flashlight, UV, and laser pointer. This is super nice, high quality, well made. It's got this clip right here. It's also completely waterproof, so the charger down here is a simple magnetic charger. So snaps on like so. The thing I really like is that this has multiple modes. So let's go ahead and try out each of the modes. We got UV right there. As you can see, it works super well. I've already tried and tested that. You've got laser pointer. If you go right toward the middle there, you can also do flashlight at the same time by pressing twice on the middle button. And then you can cycle through the powers by holding down that middle button. And then you also have the actual, just the flashlight itself. You can hold down to cycle between each of those and then press 3 times for this ultra power mode. That is super bright, as you guys can see. I just really can't stress how bright that is right there. So overall, I highly recommend this flashlight, UV light, laser pointer from OLIGHT. Thanks for watching.